the Joker, but I don't play about my money though. It's funny, bro. Let's see if it's funny when me and Mac snatch your hoe. Casket closed, drop a banger, pick a foe. She wants some more, I told her no and put her out the door. Cause the flow colder than the wind. What's good, Moemafiaa? It's your girl Mo, and as y'all can tell by the title, I'm back with another Mukbang. And y'all, before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, hit that bell so y'all know when I'm dropping. Oh shit! Damn! That's from tasting that crumb off that rib. But before we get into this video, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, hit that bell so y'all know when I'm dropping Mukbangers, and make sure y'all check out the entire game. All right, y'all, so today I got a mukbang for y'all. I made Puerto Rican rice, a house-made salad, and some fried country-style ribs. And I sprinkled a little bit of hot sauce on them before we got started. Y'all, I'm ready to fade. This is my first meal of the day, gonna probably be my only. And yeah, it's late, y'all. I woke up late. I was up all night pushing on TikTok. Hit some goals, so I'm proud of that. But I'm literally ready to eat. And I got me a cup of cold iced apple juice. I wanted some apple juice, y'all. Ooh, I was fiending apple juice. God is good. God is great. And we thank him for this food. We gonna thank him in the morning, noon, and night. Cause God is dynamite. I'm in gang. Little house salad, y'all. Cheese, croutons, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and cucumbers. I'm going for this first, y'all. It just looks so damn good. Come on. Come here, baby. First bite for y'all. Homemade ranch. Mm-hmm. 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 Country style rib and the homemade ranch. Mmm. I can't miss. Y'all, this gonna be one of them silent ones. I'm gonna keep it 100 right now. I'm just here to eat. I just came to eat with y'all, that's all. Everything on the spoon, everything on the fork that the salad come with. Mmm. My wife, you might be watching this video right now. I just want you to know I can't wait to cook for you and give you everything you deserve, baby.
Bitch, I'm serious.
Mmm. I know y'all like, Mo, why you keep giving us salad? Mm-hmm. No, Mark, yeah. Y'all don't have no story time or nothing. I'm just here to eat. So just go ahead and eat with me. I should put more salad. It looked like a lot of salad. I feel like I only took 3 bites. Y'all, I was so hungry. Oh my God. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. I tell you a joke, but I ain't gonna lie. This one of them ones. This one of them ones, baby. Woo! That's all I can say is woo! Yes. How was y'all day? Did y'all pray today? Did y'all accomplish anything today? Comment down below something positive. And like the person above your positive comment. Woo! Y'all, I am kind of eating fast because I got to get on TikTok. I'm going to double upload this video for y'all tomorrow. That was a lot of hot sauce. No reason that shit that good. And why I'm saying I can't cook. You wish I couldn't cook, nigga. Y'all. Oh, y'all. When I say this was just so good, oh my God. The country style rib tastes like a fucking pork chop. Y'all, when I say that was one of the best meals I've cooked in a long time. Now, it wasn't the healthiest, but it wasn't the worst. All that got to come off. Y'all, I appreciate y'all eating with me. Y'all know I eat fast. So if you like, damn, Mo, I just got started. Start it over. Because, baby, them ribs and that salad with this here ghetto Puerto Rican rain and that homemade ranch. Look, I got my lip white from the vinaigrette. I mean, the vinegar and the hot sauce. I call apple juice. Oh, I call apple juice. Moemafiaa, I love y'all. Like I said, this was a quick one. I'm about to get on TikTok. If you do not have me on TikTok, what are you doing? Do you know how fucking lit we be over there? How turned we be over there?
Jesus Christ.
I might have me a little margarita tonight. Or 3 or 4. Pull up. It be lit. I might open the panel. You know what I'm saying? I'll be opening the panel talking to y'all. If you want to talk to me, get to know me on a whole nother level outside of these eating videos. And these videos I do with Von them. Follow me on TikTok. That's where you really get to know me. Like outside of eating and talking to y'all. You really get to talk back, get on my panel, turn me up. We do battles, we talk shit, we roast people, we troll. It be a blast, a ball. Come over to TikTok right now if you're watching this video and follow me. But yeah, y'all, that was really fucking good. And I tore that shit the fuck up. And I knew I was gonna tear it up like that. It was good. I don't even know what the fuck else to say. But Moemafiaa, make sure y'all follow me on TikTok. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram as well. And make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if y'all already haven't. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Hit that bell so y'all know when I'm dropping Mook bangers. Y'all, double upload type of day. Make sure y'all watch the video I dropped before this one with Von and Ray. We did Who's Smarter Than the 5th Grader. I pranked Von and basically gave him harder questions. He cheated his ass off. But it's still a funny ass video. But all right, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get out y'all way. Moemafiaa, we finna get lit because we the shit. Gang. Damn, that was good. Ooh. Ooh. Bye, y'all.